Underneath the towering tree, branches wide and wild and free, children laugh as shadows play, swinging through the golden day.
Held by ropes that gently glide, safe with strength on either side. Roots run deep beneath their feet, where joy and steady shelter meet.
Let the swing move in the air, lifted high without a care.
In the arms of something strong, life feels simple, life feels long.
With the oak to stand nearby,
dreams can
rise into the sky.
Every moment soft and sweet,
growing with a steady beat. Leaves above them shimmer bright, guiding rays of filtered light.
all their innocence revealed in the freedom they can feel. Every laugh becomes a song as the day keeps drifting on, carried by a sacred space where they learn to trust this place.
Let the swing move in the air, lifted high without a care.
In the arms of something strong, life feels simple, life feels long.
With the oak to stand nearby, dreams can rise into the sky. Every moment soft and sweet, growing with a steady beat. Safety of the oak, their spirit